Welcome back everyone on the SpaceInfo Club YouTube channel. You may notice that something different here, and that's because our friends from Dwarf Lab came back to us with a new product, something that a lot of people asked because, well, smart telescope may be even smarter and even more portable. And the answer here is what I'm gonna talk about today, with an unboxing and a very fast review, first impressions, and then a new video will follow to this with a deep dive on the features of what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the new Dwarf Mini, and today we are gonna talk about this huge marvel by Dwarf Lab. So let's start. So as said, I will start with the unboxing, let you know that I've received this marvel a couple of weeks ago and everything was super smooth. So our friends just shipped from their warehouse. I'm in Europe, so they shipped it from nearby and they were so fast. For sure, they reached out first to me, but I can tell you that since warehouses are all over around the world, shipment is something which is super smooth. So you will receive the Dwarf Mini in this little box. I have already the Dwarf 3 smart telescope that you may see here behind me, and I will make a small comparison during this video, but what you see out of the box is for sure a great picture in the front and what you are gonna get into this box, which, well, spoiler, it's not just a telescope, and a few features. So just let you know what you can expect. Just 840 grams of weight for the Dwarf Mini, and equatorial mode available. Also the control with the mobile app, auto start tracking, and well, a lot more. So equatorial mode may be used if you have long exposure shots, you are tracking galaxies or group of stars, and you also have to consider the movement of Earth while tracking stars and taking pictures. So that's a feature which is super useful and for sure is available. Was already available back there in the Dwarf 3 for sure, but still available here. The mobile app is super user friendly. I've already talked about this in the review and the unboxing of the Dwarf 3 that you can find here on the channel of the SpaceInfo Club. Just invite you to go and look there. And before going on with the actual unboxing, I want to let you know that Dwarf Lab is continuously, something like once every 2 weeks, releasing updates of their app, and they are continuously improving. Also, they take a lot of care of the comments and the reviews by the users, and if you tell something wrong about the application, well, they are for sure taking it into consideration and use it as an improvement for the new features of the mobile app. So that's something I've noticed, and I really appreciate also the support for the application. That's something not everyone does. But now let's start with unboxing this thing. So also the box is really well done. The opening with the magnetic cover here, well, I have to admit I had some difficulties because I thought it was just a normal box, maybe something that had to slide somewhere, but there's a magnetic cover here. You just open, very few instructions needed because that's super intuitive, and also the mobile application is very user friendly. So instructions and something to clean up your lenses, very useful. Then the actual smart telescope, it's this big, so it's not very big. It's actually a mini smart telescope. Portability is for sure a feature. Not only the weight, which is less than 1 kilogram, only 840 grams here, with a battery which can last up to 4 hours, and an internal storage which is more than enough to, well, use all that 4 hours autonomy of the battery and more. You can do multiple acquisition, also with multiple session of astronomy without getting out of storage, which is an internal storage of this product, and that's something which still surprises me after a few usage of this thing. You will find well, on our website spaceinfo.club and on our Instagram page at spaceinfo.club, same thing, well, our shots, our images, and our acquisition. So just go there, subscribe to the page, follow the website. There's also a newsletter through which we'll keep you updated of the collaboration that we also make with other astronomers using the Dwarf Mini and the Dwarf 3 smart telescopes to acquire incredible images, like those images of galaxies that you see that need well, long exposure shots that you can do also with the Dwarf Mini smart telescope. And one of the reasons that you can acquire great image is the fact that here in this little thing there's a Sony sensor IMX662 with a 1/2.8 aperture, and the capabilities of these sensors are incredible. So that's not something that you can do with your phone for sure. And there's one of the doubts, one of the questions that people that are in contact with us usually ask. So you're talking about a smart telescope, so is there something which can be done by a phone? Well, the answer is for sure no. And the reason why is that the hardware within this little marvel is super powerful. It's not just a big battery, it's not just a big storage capability, but the core of this thing is the sensor and the lenses. High quality hardware for high quality shots and pictures. And you can take both astronomical photos. It's like the common sense that you can imagine. So I'm talking about galaxies, stars, and the moon. I use this one to take some photographs of the last lunar eclipse that occurred here. It was just a partial one, not a so special event, but it deserves the name of telescope. And you can also take pictures of the sun. There's something you must be careful of, but Dwarf Lab also took this into consideration. So if you want to take photographs of the sun, when you start using it, before turning it off and you open the lenses like this, you must use, well, I strongly advise you to use, if you want to use again this little thing, well, something that you find in the box. And that's something which is as small as this. You can open it. It's a protection, it's a filter for your lenses, and finally for the sensor. It has a magnetic cover, so, well, you can just attach as easy as this. Now your lens is protected and you can use the telescope to acquire sun pictures, which are amazing. There are also modes within the application that will make it easier, and with presets that will make easier to acquire sun images, also for the people that are not professional astronomers. And that's the strength of smart telescope. This Dwarf Mini, but also the Dwarf 3 over there, and that's the fact that you don't need to be a super expert, because there's a super detailed guide, a super detailed application, which is super easy to use through your mobile phone to track the stars. And well, wherever you are around the world, there is also a pre-downloaded with some options to be downloaded for sure for free directly within the application of the map of the stars over your head wherever you are in the world. So it's super easy. You just activate your location within your application, then it knows where you are and gives you hints and indication to orient your telescope automatically towards the constellations or the stars or the sun and the moon that you want to observe and take pictures of. And then, yeah, to finalize the unboxing, there is also charging cable, USB-C type, because it's super user-friendly. And here is this little marvel. And well, that's it just for the unboxing of today. And I want to underline again that the quality is super high. I have this little thing in my hand, and I can see how the screws, the metallic parts made by aluminum, are of super quality. There is nothing out of where it should be. All the finishing is super smooth, and also the parts that are coupled together, like the joints and the articulations, are so well done that everything is smooth. And also, since it has the capability to tilt like this way automatically, for sure. I'm doing this manually because it's still turned off, and you also have to open it before starting the observation, but then this tilting movement is super wide and free, and it's commanded by the application. Also, there is an azimuthal rotation around this axis, 360 degrees, which is controlled by the application. That's why also it automatically tracks stars and objects in the sky without the manual intervention. So you can also put this out there and just stay warm within your apartment with your mobile phone and the application, and use it to track and take amazing pictures of the stars. Well, that's it for today's unboxing. In an upcoming video, I will also release a very small comparison with its big brother over there, the Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope. But I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you want to know more, and if you are thinking about buying this one, you will find our affiliate link below in the description. Well, to have a special discount on the Dwarf 3 Smart Telescope and on the Dwarf Mini here. So let me know what you think, subscribe, and see you next video.